Okay, let's talk about gold. So I'm gonna fib here and look at this strategy for 1 day, 1 hour and 15 minutes. And again, this is not an advice to buy or sell anything. This is simply, I'm showing you how to trade. This is more like entertainment for the rest of you. So here we go. So if I simply fib from low to high, I'm not seeing on the daily that this candle honor my fib. So I would have to pretty much fib differently and trying to find the match. I don't see it. However, I can look at this level here, which is 2,550. So for me, this would be ideal, the level to buy. So again, of course, I cannot predict anything, but this is the breaking point because it's 0.058 or 0.942 fib. Okay, so I'm going to remove this fib, and this is daily, this is very long term, right? And here, and I will remove all the drawings. So looking at the daily, and here we can see that only 15 minutes is bullish, everything else is bearish. So we also see that there is a huge volatility. It's almost 3 times higher than medium and low volatility. So these data points are important, right? Also, we can see it that 333 below each candle, it shows high volatility for gold. And this is 1 hour. And now if you look here, you can see that it is mostly bullish, right? And this level here, this line right here on this trend filter. So it is super important because if it closes below this line, then we know it's gonna drop, right, to 2,500. But if it does bounce off of it, then we know it will go all the way up to 2,800. So let's look at the 1 hour. Actually, I'm gonna go here. So this is 1 hour, and 1 hour is, and let me remove everything. And here is 1 hour. So we have a signal to sell, and it was 9 hours ago. And this signal to sell is basically goes like this, as you know. So first we evaluate, is it the right signal or not? Looking at this, I don't think it's a right signal because it's a dark red. So I don't want to buy anything when it's dark red. So this would be a good signal to sell. And also here, like this level here. So basically, at this point, the only valid situation to sell would be at this level here. And if I test this, that would be this here. So my stop loss would be at this level, and then my take profit would be a 1.5 risk to reward ratio, right? Which is 5, 0, somewhere here, right? Okay, so we are looking at 2,560, and this is on 1 hour. So based on this signal here, if we were to sell at this level here, right, then it shows that it can go to 2,400. So it is all about 2,500 level. But as I explained before in this daily chart, it is super important, this particular level here, because if it does bounces off of it, then we have a really good pullback. Just to show you here, you see how it comes almost. It has to, with the wick, touch this level, and then after that, it's a buy. So looking at 15 minutes. So what did we have here? So 15 minutes at the same thing. We had a sell signal. So let me drop this down and drop this down. And move this up. So was it a valid sell? It's like a really good sell, right? So the volatility is the highest number of 3. So that's the first condition. The sell, it's a light red above the dotted line. And the third one is this is red and it's below 0. Okay, so if we sell at this level, then take profit would be at 2,576 or maybe 2,540. So this is what I'm looking at for gold. So of course, if it bounces on a daily chart, then I'm definitely looking for somewhere around 2,800, which is super important. That's why I'm looking at this daily candle here to see what's gonna happen. So it appears that it did touch almost, right? Doesn't have to be perfect. Here it did touch this middle one, so it did touch this one. So even if it drops to here and then pulls back, it will be a good pullback. Looking at this. However, everything looks bearish right now, so we still don't have any long-term signal to buy on gold. Okay, have fun.